Hi, this is David Bennett, and today I wanted to show you some of my setup preferences in AutoCAD, and hopefully you will learn something. One thing that you can do in AutoCAD 2007 is to anchor left and anchor right the palettes. This frees up space in the drawing window. Notice also that the properties box right here is always open because I use it the most. You notice that anchored to the left are the sheet set manager, the external references, and the quick calc, just to do calculations in AutoCAD if you needed to. You notice on the right are the tool palettes and the design center. Now, external references are references from other drawings. If you have, for example, a sheet set, or if you want to have another drawing on top of another one and you don't want to edit the other one. As we said before, the calculator, it's pretty straightforward. It's a calculator built into AutoCAD. Sheet set managers for sheet sets, if you have drawings, multiple drawings, kind of like a table of contents for AutoCAD drawings. Design Center, you can get different kinds of, I'd say blocks. You can just paste in. For example, let's do an X factor. Let's make it 10 times bigger. That's just an example of what the Design Center can do. And you got tool palettes, which are different sorts of shortcuts. Some can be used to deal with viewports, make a circular viewport, polygon viewport in paper space, not necessarily in model space. So, like right here. Another thing that tool palettes can do is you can put custom commands here. There's this one tool palette here that selects all text, multi-line text, and regular text together. I got that from Lazy Architecto. And let's say you want to change the order of where the tool palettes go. Let's say you want tool palettes at the top and Design Center at the bottom. What you can do is hover over this, auto hide, hover over this, auto hide, and let's say they disappear. You can always go to Tools, Palettes, and click on whichever one you want out of these 8 for 2007 at least. And let's say you want whichever one you want on top, whichever one goes first is the one that's going to go on top, and then they just in succession go down, down, down. So let's right click, anchor right, because it's going to go to the right. And let's right click. Okay, let's keep trying. Right click, anchor right. You see that tool palettes are at the bottom, Design Center's at the top. Alright, and that's all you need to know about that. Alright, I hope you guys found this useful, and you can leave a like, and if you want, you can subscribe so I can hopefully post some more videos. Alright, take care. Bye.